So here we are, we finished all 4 of these studs. So the way that it will work, and it will be polished at some point, is, as I said, it is going to be on top of the machine. Four studs going in, just like so. Like this. And obviously it's going to be threaded into the machine, the top of the machine. Here comes the side glass. And the cap, come on. Be fiddly. Yep, that's it. Okay. So I think it turned out pretty alright. And I will have a couple of 1/4-20 nuts on top. I'm not sure. I would like to do like the dome nuts, so basically the thread is gonna be invisible, but I haven't decided yet. And what else? I need to do something else as well. Oh yeah, and I need to drill and tap a 10 by 1 mil hole for the oil line. Because this is the one that's gonna go, sorry, this way. This is the one that's gonna go towards the headstock. And the last thing I need to do is I need to mill a flat over here and drill and tap a 10 by 1 mil hole for the oil port, and one over here as well to the corresponding hole. So let's head over to the mill and do that. Okay, so this is the setup. It's a little bit sketchy, but I've secured the workpiece over here in the vise with the V-block, and I've got a 20 mil 2 flute end mill carbide end mill, and I will mill a flat on the back. I'll drop the table as far as it starts touching the surface. There are no dimensions, it doesn't matter. It's just the width of a flat needs to be bigger than 10 mil, and I think we can easily do that. And the last thing I need to do is I need to drill a hole this way. It's just gonna be a 1/4 inch hole that connects the whole chamber with the outlet. Yeah, looks okay. Yeah, let me turn on the magnet. Oops, okay. Okay, so I wanted to drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit, but then I realized that this is a 3/16 brake pipe. That means that this is the maximum diameter that the oil can flow. So the last thing I want to do is create any restriction for the oil flow. However, I do not want to drill it with a too big of a drill. So this is what I'm using. It's a 4.2 mil. I have at least 5-6 full thread in this, but because the drill bit didn't go all the way through, I didn't want to cut into this figure for the simple reason that I want the oil to come up over here as opposed to coming straight into this hole. I had to stop a little bit earlier because of the drill. Anyway, long story short, I did some trial and error, and 2.5 thread I've got on this one, which is working just fine. If I manage to thread it in like so. And there you go, the cap that goes on. I've got clearance, it fits perfectly, it's flat, it's sealing properly. Okay, I need to deburr this hole. And the 4 studs. One oil side glass. There you go. There's only one thing I'm waiting on, and that is the acorn cap, because I just realized that I don't have I ordered but it hasn't come yet. But because I set my mind onto the acorn nuts, or the, how do you call them, acorn nuts, dome nuts, sorry, I'm just waiting for them, and after that we can put it on a machine. Okay, so now we're on top of the machine. I already center punched the 4 holes that I want to drill. I start with the 3 mil drill bit because this is cast iron. This being cast iron, you know, it drills easy. It's very easy to drill. And then I'm gonna drill it. I'm gonna follow up with the 5/16/18 tap drill bit, which is 6.6 mil. Now I don't have 6.6 mil, so I only have 6.5, but that just gives me a little bit of depth when it comes to thread engagement. So let's do it. Yeah, I think that's fine. It doesn't go all the way, but it doesn't matter because the base plate is a good 1/4 inch thick. There you go. Nothing else left, but I need to put the machine back all the way to the wall so I can start working on something else. I call it a success, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.